I got a whole bunch of equipment right here. These are speakers. We got Tesla tape. We got wiring kit. We got CD player. We got an amplifier. Man, it about to go down. Let's get
I'm bringing that pressure, whether it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it dog or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure, whether it wrong or it right.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I know it's been a while, but y'all know basically had to be having shit going on, man. But in today's video, man, my homeboy pulling up in his 2007 Mercury Grand Marquis clean air car he just bought, man. Like, this joke was clean, man. Like, you could eat from up under the hood type clean, man. And he want to put a system in it, of course. So what we gonna do is, guys, we gonna replace it all factory radio. We gonna put an EQ in it. He got some 6x8 coaxial, two-way coaxial from Scar Audio for the front and the back. Got him a nice ass 4-channel on HAVENT app. But if you haven't, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell, man. Like I said, at 10,000 subscribers, guys, I am giving away a $500 full subwoofer setup at 10,000 subscribers, man. So y'all got to help spread the word, guys. Y'all know I do legit giveaways, no purchase necessary, none of that, man. It's a legit giveaway. I'm giving $500 worth of equipment to one of y'all, man. So make sure y'all help spread the word about the channel, man. Share this shit for real. And if you want to help the channel grow, if you want to help support the channel, click the link below to the Patreon page. Y'all know how this shit go, man. So it's gonna be 2 parts of it, man. Make sure y'all tune in. Let's get it. Yes, sir. I know y'all thinking, but that is not Ghost. I still ain't got Ghost back. They like Ghost big brother. They be clean, y'all. My boy found him a goddamn gym around that bitch, y'all. Oh God. But they be clean, y'all. Can't lie. Got the 15s on them. Mm-hmm. Right. For sure. And like I said, it's all here, y'all. Amp at the bottom. But shit, man, it getting dark, so we got to get to it. Right, we got this thing broke down, factorized. Got to put the dad kit in this thing. It'll sit up in there like so. They gonna snap in, but y'all get where we going, man. I probably gonna hook everything on here so I can pull this all the way out and do what I need to do, but we about to make it happen, man. It's dark on it, but straight out the mud with this shit, man. Let's get it. Going back together now, y'all. Shit looking good. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me turn the light on. Alright, y'all see what's going on, man. Putting the screw back in it. Throw that panel back on. We gotta get the tape off it. Throw the goddamn panel back on. CD player work. We already tried it, man. We gonna see what this thing look like. Part 2, y'all. Subwoofer time, man. Like I say, bro, get out like 5 some, so I'm working with limited light, but we gonna make it happen, man. Gonna hook the subwoofers up, put a CD player out. Yeah. I would do a time lapse, but like I said, it's getting dark, guys, but we gonna make this shit work. Let's get it. All right, guys, y'all can see we got the new terminals in. Everything looking good. We got the hot wire ready to get put on, running down through there, going down through there. Then it dropped down, and I know it look a mess now, but y'all know the process of this shit, man. We coming down through that grommet, so I'm gonna put something around it where the wire won't be touching bare metal and all that other good stuff before y'all get in the comment section. I'm gonna straighten that out before we do that, but my main goal was to get it to come from up under the hood, through the firewall, down through here. Next step, running along the floorboard, all the way to the trunk, take the CD player out, hook the RCAs and the remote wire up, and run that to the back, hook the amp up, test it, see if the amp come on, and then we're gonna hook the subs up and see what we got going on. So like I said, dog, I would do time lapse and stuff, guys, but it just won't work. This is like the second day. The first day we hooked the CD player up, now we doing the sub, guys. 7 o'clock at night, well, in the evening. And clean that shit back up, the wire running up under there, coming down through here, going down through there, and y'all see it right there. I got to pull that back seat out and run it through the back, take the CD player out, and we're gonna run the RCAs and the remote wire down along that side, going to the back.
Once again, I'm locked in with TP. We finna make it. I've been taking meds just to deal with this inside. And they label me as violent, say I'm a menace to society. And these niggas keep on copying me, I'ma change my pace to
Still tuning, y'all gotta clean the wires up and shit, but got them playing for sure. And all these right here for the doors and everything here, man. One piece at a time. For sure. Then them bitches badly move. They can take way more. They can take way more. Swear they can. Shit look good, can't count.
Did your thing, man.
Look damn good. Alright, y'all, we about to clean everything up. But y'all see how this shit turned out, man. Everything ran clean as hell. Can't lie.
Everything subwoofer how you want to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Then, like I say, that baiting already though, so you know. You can reach that some bit. You can reach that knob. Yeah.
Shit, once I get used to it, I'm gonna do exactly what I do.
Clean that Merc. 10:40 at night, y'all. Just wrapping it up. Took about 2.5, 3 hours to do it. We started about I know it's dark in here, y'all, but second video part 2 gonna be hooking up the doors and all the other good stuff, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I know it's dark, but this your boy Bass at it. We out with another one.